What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing with YouTube's greatest and most efficient unboxer. Let's go ahead and get into this. I believe this knife is from the Pass-Around group that I am involved with, so by extension, as usual, this knife was likely provided to me by the manufacturer. I will try not to let that affect my thoughts and opinions on it. Ooh, I think, yeah. So this is another prototype, I believe, from Damned Designs. And if you guys remember, there was a prototype that I reviewed here recently. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let me take a look at this before I show it on camera. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are different. Interesting. Some different scales there. We'll get into those here in a sec. What else is in here? This is a sleeve, and this is packing material. Okay, so this is what it is. So the first thing I want to do is I want to open this little guy up here. What do we have here? That poison. That's cool. Is that a lanyard bead? I like that. That's kind of neat. Okay, cool. And let's see what we've got in here. Okay. Very, very cool. Interesting. So this is another Damned Design. I believe this is called a Wraith. Wow. Okay. Right off the bat. Now, the one that I showed on the channel previously was a prototype, and I knew that. And I thought, you know, the flipping action is a little bit grindy, but this is a prototype, so I'm not going to judge it too much because oftentimes the final design will change. This is a different model, but obviously a little bit more has gone into this one, or a little, I mean, I don't want to say a little bit more has gone into it. I mean that this is a much more finely tuned knife, if it is a prototype, than the other one. I believe this is called the Wraith. I promise when I review it, I will give the accurate information there, but the flipping action on this guy is really, really good. Also, if you'll notice, we have a very thin blade stock on this guy. Very thin. That's, man, up against the Manix 2 here. Manix 2 at 135 thousandths, that's probably, might be 112 thousandths, something like that, which means, yeah, I bet it gets pretty thin behind the edge. Edge feels good. Yeah, very nicely sharpened in S35VN. This looks to be, is this micarta? I don't know. We obviously have some different scales that it may come with once it goes into production. So we'll let you guys take a look at that. I mean, I'll get more information for you guys, but this is cool. So, okay, so this is like a multi-layered G10 or micarta with carbon fiber, and then another multi-layered scale with micarta. So if you could imagine here with me, with this scale, pretty cool. And then how about with this one? Oh, this is for the other side. Okay. Are these this? No, they're not the same scale. Interesting. Very cool design. I really like, right off the bat, I really like the shape of the blade and the overall shape of the knife and the size of the knife. That's really cool. I will, of course, give all of my thoughts. Oh, and these are being made by is it Tuya Knife? I remember Nick Shabazz talking about that, and I believe that is the case with the other knife that I reviewed as well. But you'll get some more details on this as, you know, after I get a chance to play with it a little bit and make the video and talk about it some more. But in any case, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other videos, I do, of course, have lots of stuff on knives and EDC gear that I either do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.